welcome to our 25th anniversary. Let's start at the 1995. 1995 Marble Run and Friends was created by Amy Pike.
Tell me that you keep me safe.
1997 First Fan was named before the 2000s.
Away. I'm hiding out so they don't see this.
1999 Marble Run and Friends was named after one.
Girls like me don't
2001 Marble Run and Friends was born at 8.
Don't cry.
2002 Marble Run and Friends was first named Blue.
Girls like me pretend we don't cry.
2003 Marble Run and Friends celebrate their 5th anniversary. 2006 Marble Run and Friends make games in Roblox.
Girls like me pretend that we don't cry. Lost in the city,
2007 Marble Run and Friends had their store and website for everyone.
Keep my eyes bulge, I got tissues in my pockets.
2008 Marble Run and Friends was named by parents.
Been through some shit with my heart on my sleeve, so it's hard to
2009 My Melody makes magic of fans.
Keep me safe and never let this
2010 Karomi and My Melody make the magic of friends.
So they don't see this part of me.
2011 Marble Run and Friends got powerful magic from Hello Kitty and Friends. 2013 Marble Run and Friends was named by Amy Pike. 2014 Abby was born and celebrate their 20th anniversary.
Tell me that you keep me safe and
2017 Last Pillar Eclipse fan watch.
Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend
2019 My Melody and Karomi came to us.
They say girl don't cry. Try to keep my head up high. Smile like it's alright.
2021 Marble Run and Friends got new fans. 2020 one-year new video.
Inside. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me
2020 there are Marlo Narlo, Victoria Maris,
don't cry, baby. Girls like me don't cry.
2020 for the Taylor Eclipse fans watch, but they celebrate the 25th and 35th anniversary.
Tell me that you keep me safe.
Hopefully we will get together soon.
Let this fade away.
Why
Girls
more
like
importantly
me
you?
don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry.
So I don't know what the rules are. Wow. Diamond. Marble Run and Friends will celebrate the 35th anniversary on August 1st. Okay, for the first day. Tell me that you keep me.
Tell me that you keep me safe and
She will regret you.
let this fade away. I'm hiding out so they don't see this part of me.
I use this sound on
Girls
Abby
like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry.
She thinks
Girls
Marlo
like
and
me
Lucy
don't
here.
cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry.
Wow, talk about this.
Tell me that you keep me safe and never
Nola.
let this fade away. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry.
You are going back in my house.
Lost in the city, both eyes wide, ran right through all my options. Can't seem to keep my eyes bulge, I got tissues in my pockets.
What do you
I'm
mean?
sensitive, probably wanna duck when I throw a fit. Been through some shit with my heart on my sleeve.